Beautiful, beautiful day to all of you beauties. Well, again, it's another beautiful day with Miss Abby. And today, I'm going to show you what's in my bag. This is an Hermes Birkin Special Edition Wicker. This is a special edition. Merong mga ibang wicker na all white lang, ay all brownish white. This is a stripe color, so this is a special edition Hermes Birkin. If you notice, very nice detail. This is in a blue box. If you remember, there's a special order which you choose your leather or you choose the color, but this is a special edition which they give it to very important client. So it's really hard to get. So normal wicker bag, puro white lang, yung parang brownish, light brown color. But this one has stripes. So it's a small, nice bag with palladium hardware. So this is really hard to get. When my age told me this, she told me that she's been in with Hermes for 10 years. And this is the first time she sold this to her client. What's good with a gold collar, this is what you call a gold collar Hermes Birkin 25, is you can use it with any type of collar that you are wearing. And what's in my bag? Okay. First, of course, very important, my cell phone. What's good with this phone? Nandito na yung mga cards ko. Important cards. Na. Yan. Then, let's put it here. Then, of course, perfume. Chanel No. 5 travel perfume. Ayan, para. And of course, my glasses na kailangan ko linisin. Very important because, you know, I'm 51 years old. I need my glasses all the time. And what else? Of course, my Flawless Antioxidant Powder. Very important. Flawless Antioxidant Powder has SPF 15 also. It's important for me para medyo nice and flawless ang skin. I have two powder actually. This is the Flawless Antioxidant Powder. My color is light beige. If you're asking, ayan, ito yung color niya. And then, my blotting powder. Para pag oily, ganyan. Ganito ka lang. Yan. Because oiliness is next to ugliness. Yes, okay? So, and then, what's in my bag? Of course, my blush. So, kung gusto ko minsan medyo pinkish, so I put my mineral blush. This is non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic. It has vitamin C and E, so it has antioxidants. All Abby Skin Cosmetics are great for our skin. It would not damage your skin. It has also a lot of antioxidants. Good para sa atin. Okay, what else? Of course, my disinfectant. Very important. Nilalayo ko kasi nakalagay yung bag ko. Maraming beses ko na po na natamaan yung bag ko. And then, what else? Ay, because ang tita nyo ay medyo nasa 50 plus, pag masakit ang ulo, yan, ganyan, kailangan lagi. And of course, my wallet. My dinosaur wallet. I've had this wallet since 2009. Hindi ko to papalitan. Hindi ko papalitan tong wallet na to. I have a lot of wallets actually na binibili ko lang because maganda sila pero hindi ko ginagamit. Ito talaga yung favorite kong wallet kasi ito yung wallet na lucky. Talaga, promise. Sira-sira na siya. A lot of my SA was telling me, Miss Abby, let's change your wallet. So I ended up buying, I always end up buying the wallet, but hindi ko pa rin ginagamit. Ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko kasi, sort talaga siya. Blessed talaga siya ni Lord. Tapos, of course, pera. Kailangan may pera dahil babakasyon tayo. What's inside? Ballpen. Ayan. Dalawang ballpen. Ewan ko bakit I have two ballpens. Na thank you Rolex for giving this to me. And of course, mga susi. Ayun lang. And some of my credit cards pa. So, ayan lang. Of course, medyo pera para just in case. And that's it. That's what's inside my bag. Wala na. Yun lang. Ay, meron pa akong Halls candy. That's it. I don't use bubble gum. I always have candy. Kaka-chew po natin ng bubble gum. Makes our masseter much bigger. So, I recommend if you want to have the hugis bigas or smaller face, don't chew bubble gum. You can have, if you'd like to have candy, candy ka na lang. But there you have it. This is my what's inside my bag. And I hope I was able to make you smile today. Always remember, be kind, be positive, always be grateful with what you have, and bawal ang negative. Love everyone. God bless. A beautiful day.